Good afternoon, Quiet Fam. Los Angeles is absolutely tweaking right now. We have a whole entourage, whole troop, whole army of police down there, bro. I have dinner with my parents in about 20 minutes, so I am very excited to bring this vlog for you guys. So I'll catch you guys once we get downstairs to the Hellcat. As you guys can see right now, there is a whole bunch of cops. I'm watching it on my computer. They're about a few blocks over from me, probably like 5 minutes away from my apartment. So just know that I am very, very scared to leave the house, but I do need to go to dinner with my parents. But I will be recording this video just for safety purposes, just in case anything happens to me while I am driving. This is me explaining what's going on. So that way, if anything happens, I can show the police officer, hey, I'm just leaving my apartment. I'm going to dinner with my parents, nothing else. But yeah, look at that. There's a whole bunch of cops. The protests are just absolutely insane. So I'll catch you guys once we get downstairs to my car. Look at that. People over there, cops over here, over there, down there, everywhere. All right, Quiet Fam. The freaking GoPro is dead. So that's so loud. On my phone. To be honest, am I scared? Absolutely. I am very scared, bro. There's just so much shenanigans going on outside. And unfortunately, I'm gonna have to be in the smack middle of all of it. I'm gonna try to keep my car as quiet as possible until I get like kind of on the highway. But as far as right now, bro, I'm gonna try to be as low-key as possible, bro, because this is so bad, bro. There's so many protests. We have to set little AP on today, but it's bad, bro. It's bad. All right, I gotta put my seatbelt on. All right, boys. We just drove past the cop. I think he may be in the turning lane. Yeah, oh my God, he's right behind. He's 2 cars behind. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Oh gosh. Never mind, boys, we're good. It's just the Audi. We're good. We're chilling. Turn in 800 feet onto Harbor Freight's highway. Bro, I'm so scared right now, bro. I can't even do anything. Cause I don't want to get fucking put out of my car. For acting like goddamn. Oh shit. Turn right. Turn right. Turn right. Guys, we successfully made it out of the city, guys. Bro, oh my God. Oh my gosh. Spoke too soon there, buddy. Spoke too soon. Let me know if you guys like the iPhone type QB. Oh my gosh. Bro. Oh my gosh. There's cops everywhere. I'm scared right now. I'm scared. I'm scared. Alright, we're good, boys. We're good. Window up. Oh my gosh, goodness gracious, I am so paranoid right now, guys. Like, these protesters, they have the whole entire LAPD fleet out, guys. Like, I'm scared to even freaking cut up. I'm over here driving like a normal civilian. I ain't being loud. I ain't pressing the gas. I'm kind of using my turn signals a little bit. Well, now I am. Like, this ain't like me. Come on, this ain't like me. Like, I just don't know which car is a cop. Like, I'm just scared. Second I floor it, beep, beep, pull over. But we should be good now that we are heading out of the downtown LA area, because that's pretty much like where the protests were kind of at their worst. That's where all the people were at. But now that we're kind of heading to Beverly Hills, we should be good. I don't think rich people protest, so yeah, we should be chilling, boys. So I'm gonna sit back, relax, and I'll catch you guys off the highway. And also, I am surprising my parents with my new apartment. They don't even know I got this apartment. We're just going to dinner right now because tomorrow is Father's Day. So I guess we're just having our dinner a day early. But yeah, my parents don't even know I bought the freaking apartment. So I'm gonna surprise them after dinner. I'm gonna be like, yo, follow me, type in the Addy, and boom, let's go. Whoa, what the fuck? I feel like they should be very happy because it is a nice apartment. It's it's good for DTLA. It's in a good area for DTLA. And yeah, I'm just very fortunate to be in this position. You know, super blessed. And I'm pretty sure those are like flags up there on that little, yeah, those are flags on that little ramp. But yeah, I'll catch you guys. Okay, boys. Hold on, let me let on the window. We are off the and 1 mile turn left. That's a little Mercedes. All right, but yeah, currently on the way to Steak 48 to get some good grub. Good grub. My bad. Hold on, I can drive a little bit more freely now that we're not in freaking the slums of downtown LA. All the goddamn on protesters, huh? Skirt. We're in Beverly Hills. The air feels so fresh, so crisp. I don't know what I'm saying right now. If you guys are enjoying the POV drives, though, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And just let me know that you guys are enjoying the content and also so support to the channel. But yeah, we are in beautiful LA. We are away from the protest. Guys, I am super excited to surprise my parents with the apartment. You guys haven't even seen it yet. I'll show you guys too. Fuck it. Why not? But yeah, I'm super excited to surprise them with the apartment. Green light. Green light. 3, 2, 1. Fuck. That's the turning light. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. All right. Are they jamming? What the fuck is wrong with these roads? I thought we in Beverly Hills, though. Come on, man. We in Beverly. We were supposed to be having them big ass potholes. Oh shit. Oh nah. There we go. Welcome to Beverly Hills. Beverly. Now the roads feel good. That's funny. Like when you're in LA. Oh shit. But when you're in LA, the roads are ass. As soon as you enter Beverly Hills, perfect. Pristine. There's not even a piece of paper on the road. Oh. Those backfires are nice. Backfires are insane. guys, I am not driving crazy because police are on their like A game, so I can't be out here driving all crazy and stuff like that. Oh my goodness, bro. Hold on. Because I know a lot of you guys do want me to drive all crazy, all loud, but there is times where I can drive crazy, fast, loud, whatever, and there's times and moments in time where I cannot. And this is one of those things where I can't really push my car too much and draw too much attention to myself. Lexus dealership. So loud. Careful, I know the cops are lurking somewhere. They somewhere around here lurking. Guys, we are approaching Rodeo Drive, my favorite place on earth. I love going to Rodeo Drive. Guys, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you. Oh yeah, it's blocked off because tomorrow they're having like a very, very special Father's Day event tomorrow. Oh shit! Little spider, little Evo spider, spider wider. Bro, I keep getting cut out all these freaking red lights. Why is there so many red lights? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 red lights. Oh my gosh. But we are almost there to Steak 48. It is right somewhere up there. Somewhere up there. So I'm ready to get this good grub on and then surprise my parents with the apartment. Hopefully they like it. Can you please turn green? Please? Pretty please? Thank you. All right, now where to park? Look at that right there. Gotta find somewhere to park now. Gotta find somewhere to park. I'm dressed for occasion, guys. Got the watch on, got the button down on, got the Hellcat in hand. Why am I like? Wait, what the? Wait, I just realized. Why is this not on? What the heck? Because usually my SRT logo, it lights up. Oh shit! Somebody acting out. It lights up red. I don't know why it's not doing that. What the fuck is that? What is that? Somebody cutting up. Alright, bet. I don't feel like valeting, bro. Right there. I'm gonna go for it. I think I can park over here. Wait, it says do not enter. Huh. Boys, I think we're entering. It'll be alright. Oh, he found me. Hold on. Put it in reverse, Terry. Hold on. Where's the parking garage? Huh? Parking garage?
the garages are closing already.
Closed?
You can try the meters on the street now.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, you can go through that way too.
All right. All right, come on, boys, let's go. I don't feel like doing valet, bro, because I have to freaking tell them my password every single time. It's just so annoying. Hey, brother, can you please help me put in the password to figure out the car? It's complicated. I'd rather just park by myself. Police box. What does that even mean? It's a hotline. Oh, it's a bunch of security cameras. All right, let's try my luck with street parking. It's probably not gonna happen. All right, boys. Surprisingly for me, I actually found parking. Hold on, let me spray this Saint Laurent on. Boom. A little bit on my hands. All right, grab the phone. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bam. We made it, boys. Cat is parked. I don't know if I'm parked illegally though. Uh-oh. Fuck. It's like a little bit of a red zone. What does white mean? I think that means we're good, right?